You have started investing, index funds, SIPs, compounding. You're doing everything right. And then one day, your bike breaks down, or a medical bill shows up, or your company just said the word nobody wants to hear, layoffs. And suddenly you're pulling money out of your investment at a loss because you had no choice. This is the mistake that kills 80% of new investors before they even see real returns. And today, we fix that. Let me tell you about two people. Both started SIB in January 2020. Rahul invested 5,000 a month. No emergency fund. Thought, I'll manage if something comes up. Priya invested 3,500 a month. Kept 1,500 aside every month into a separate savings account. March 2020. COVID hits. Markets crash 40%. Rahul loses his freelance clients. Needs cash immediately. He withdraws his entire SIP at the worst possible time at a 40% loss. Priya, she dips into her emergency fund, doesn't touch investment. By December 2020, the markets had recovered. Same starting point, completely different outcomes. The difference wasn't intelligence, it wasn't income. It was one simple habit Rahul skipped. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. Keep it liquid, keep it accessible, keep it separate. If your monthly essentials like rent, food, EMI, bills came to rupees 25,000, your emergency fund should be 75,000 to 1,50,000 sitting, doing nothing. And that's the point. Now, let me tell you what an emergency fund is not. It is not your investment portfolio, it is not your credit card limit, it is not money you will arrange somehow. And it is not for a sale, a vacation, or a new phone. An emergency is a medical bill, a job loss, a sudden repair, not a 50% off on sale on something you wanted anyway. Where do you keep it? A liquid mutual fund or a high interest savings account? Somewhere you can access it within 24 hours, but not so easy that you spend it on impulse. We talk a lot about market risk. Will the index go down? Will my fund perform? But here's the risk nobody puts on chart. What if you go down? What if you get sick and can't work for 3 months? What if your parents need a surgery and the bill is 3 lakhs? What if the startup you joined shut down tomorrow? Your biggest financial asset isn't your portfolio. It is your ability to earn, your income, your health. And just like you insure a car because you depend on it, you need to insure the thing your entire financial life depends on. Two insurances, non negotiable. Term insurance. If you have anyone depending on your income, parents, spouse, kids, you need term insurance. A 1 crore cover for 25 years old costs roughly around 8,000 to 10,000 a year. That's 700 a month, less than a dinner out. And if something happens to you, your family doesn't lose their financial future. Second, health insurance. Don't rely on your company's insurance. The day you leave the job, that cover is gone. A personal health cover of 5 to 10 lakhs is not a luxury, it is a shield. Because one hospitalization without insurance can wipe off your entire year of investing. So let's bring all of video 1 through 7 together for a second. Most people think the order is earn, spend, save, maybe invest. The right order is step 1, protect. Emergency funds, health insurance, term insurance. Step 2, clear toxic debts. High interest personal loans, credit card dues, gone first. Step 3. Save with intention. Remember video 3? Pay yourself first. Step 4. Invest for growth. Index funds, compound beating inflation. Like mentioned in video 5 and video 6, you cannot build a strong floor on a cracked foundation. Investing without protection is like building a house on sand. The first storm and everything you build collapses. The goal isn't to grow money. The goal is to never be forced to make a bad financial decision because of emergency. Okay, enough of theory. Here's exactly what to do after you finish watching this. This week, open a separate savings account, not your main one. Name it do not touch. Transfer whatever you can, even 2000. Just start the habit. This month, calculate your monthly essentials. Multiply it by 3. That's your target. Set up an auto transfer on a salary day before you spend anything. Within 3 months, get an health insurance quote. Even 300 or 400 a month gets you solid coverage. If someone depends on you, get a term insurance quote today. It takes 20 minutes online. You don't need to do all of this tomorrow. You just need to start. One step this week. That's all. In video 1, we said it's not about how much you earn. It is about how you handle it. Handling it well means this. You never want to be in a position where your life forces you to make decision that is wrong at the wrong time. An emergency fund and an insurance aren't boring. They are what keeps everything else you have built intact. Protect first, then grow. Next video coming up soon. Until then, go build that safety net. Comment if it hits different. Hit the like button, share it with someone who needs a money reset, subscribe for new video, and see you next time.